Hello friends, today we are going to show you how to cook very delicious, very famous cauliflower potato recipe in your own kitchen. Here are all the ingredients of this recipe and we'll show you the detailed recipe at the end of the video. First of all, we will put the cooking oil into the pan and heat it at medium heat, and then we will put the onion until they turn brown, and then we put all the other spices to it and then saute them for a few minutes, and then we'll cover the pan with the glass lid. At this stage we will put pieces of cauliflower and potato in the pan, and then we will stir the mixture thoroughly so that the spices are soaked very well into the pieces. Friends, if you like our video so far, then please subscribe to our channel for delicious Indian food recipes, and don't forget to read our message in the description box. At this stage we will cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will open the pan and stir the pieces again with the spices. Then we will cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes. After this period we will open the pan and stir them very well again. At this stage we will check if the pieces are cooked. If not cooked, then we'll have to wait for another few minutes. Normally it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for cauliflower and potato to get completely cooked. At this stage we will sprinkle a little bit of chopped cilantro, which definitely adds very good flavor to this dish. So friends, now our dish is ready to serve. As we promised at the beginning of the video, here are all the ingredients of this dish. You may pause the video and check them out. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for similar delicious and healthy recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we release the new videos. Thank you.